Hello, my name is Eva Pujol and I'm going to show you how to make your own rainbow. Are you ready? Come on, let's see. What do we need? Some markers, scissors, towel paper, sticky tape, 2 glasses of water. Okay, so to start we're going to cut the towel paper into a rainbow shape. We're going to start with a red color, like the rainbow, then orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and in the middle a little blue, a light blue, and here the same, but from the other side we start with a pink, then light blue, dark blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now we're going to fill all the blanks. We start with the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, the dark blue, light blue, and the last color, the pink. We're going to add a piece of sticky tape on the top of our rainbow and stick it on the top of the folder, a large folder. Then we're going to introduce the 2 pieces colored from our rainbow in the balls, okay? Now what happened? Can you see the colors are growing? And the water, what happening to the water? The water starts being colorful as well. And the colors come from the towel paper, from the rainbow. Can you see it? And this is the result of our science experiment.